Hello and welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my friends. Well, today I'm going to share with you my top 5 dairy recipes that have been highly popular through all my social media channels and my blog in these last 5 years. And speaking of 5 years, I'm also celebrating my 5th anniversary as an ambassador of National Dairy Council, and I'm very proud about it. Over these past 5 years, we have been educating the public, giving you delicious dairy recipes and bursting myths about dairy. As an ambassador, I have had the opportunity to visit family farms and learn firsthand what goes on from how the animals are cared for, including their feed and nutrition, to how cow's milk is handled with strict food safety measures from the farm to the store. Also, I have attended plenty seminars, webinars, and conferences to learn more about dairy and health. My last symposium was extremely interesting. I learned about the food matrix, particularly the matrix of milk. I recommend watching the video where I share how important it is to eat foods closest to how nature provides them, due to the food matrix. I would like to take this opportunity to let you know that I just don't choose any company to represent. I carefully choose the sponsors I work with. Not only must I be aligned to their mission, but I also must believe to my core that the product, food, or supplement is beneficial to you, as I enjoy it myself. This way, I can ensure that I provide you with the best information. My tips and recommendations are unbiased. For example, milk. I truly love milk, and I believe in its benefits. Even with my lactose intolerance, I still promote dairy because I know how good it is. And the good news is that nowadays they do have lactose-free dairy. It is the same as regular dairy, the same nutrition, just without the lactose. These recipes were selected based on the traffic to the articles where the recipes are on my blog, my social media channels, the most engagement posts, and also what my clients tell. Number 5 is the high-protein quinoa avocado edamame salad with yogurt dressing. So good. This salad is a perfect blend of flavors and textures, making it a hit for any meal. Number 4 is the blueberry banana cottage cheese smoothie. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients and tastes absolutely amazing. Plus, there's over 20 grams of protein per serve. Number 3 is the protein-packed cottage cheese pasta sauce. Let me tell you, this recipe is a creamy, nutritious way to enjoy pasta while getting a good dose of protein for hunger control and weight management. Many of my clients make it often because they simply love it. Number 2 is my healthy Greek yogurt desserts, a 2-for-1 in our ranking: banana blueberry frozen yogurt and kiwi frozen yogurt bark. There are perfect healthy treats with protein and probiotics. And the winner and the number 1 is honey chamomile tea. Yep, this may surprise you, but people just love this recipe. This soothing drink is perfect for unwinding after a long day. Add it to your nightly routine to wind down and end the day on a positive note. To celebrate, I am going to remake one of my favorites, the banana blueberry cottage cheese smoothie. Simply add all ingredients to the blender and blend until smooth. Cottage cheese has become quite popular lately and is one of my favorite smoothie additions to make the smoothie creamy and high in protein. I highly encourage you to try one of those recipes and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite one. And please don't forget to hit like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next videos. If you do that, many other people will be aware and benefit from my nutrition information and recipes. And thank you for joining me and celebrating this milestone. And here is to more fun, delicious recipes using dairy. Cheers. Muchas gracias. Until next time, my friends.